What are you doing?
Spooling this Sitica up with some line. Should we show them the money box?
That's good, dude. Matt's going to talk to you guys for a second, and then we're going to meet our new friend who goes by the name of Ken, who has this absolutely beautiful Skeeter bass boat.
We're over here on Lake St. Clair today. Conditions are looking really good. We're out here with one of my good friends, Ken.
He wants to go out on St. Clair and get on some fish today. I'm gonna take him out here and put him on what I do. This is what I do, fellas. So we're out here on Lake St. Clair with the Skeeter. We got all our equipment. We got out here and about to have a ball. Really, a moderate speed is going to be the best thing you want to do out here. You get to let the waves predict how fast you want to go. You know, guys get out here and they spend all that money for these fast boats, and these boats are fast. Skeeter with a 225, it's you 70 miles an hour easy. But like I said, we're gonna get out here and let the wind and the waves predict how fast we go. And believe it or not, this isn't bad. You guys, extra weight actually helps balance the boat. Right now, I've got the Humminbird set up, and if you notice that I've got some spots that I fished earlier in the week marked already, where I caught fish. So what I would do is I go right to that waypoint and say go to waypoint, and it'll show me a cursor how to get there. So what I'm looking at the wind, I want to start us early. So we're gonna start in here, but I'm gonna go in a little farther. If you notice, I can follow that track right to the waypoint where we're going.
I think I'm going to start with a tube, right?
Yep.
Yep. That sounds about right. Got him.
Got it.
First fish of the day.
That coming. Running like a smallmouth. Got it? Yeah.
Oh, he's fighting hard.
Oh, nice smallie. Oh, that might be even more. Let's see. Come on up, baby.
Yes!
Nice.
First fish of the day. Bam!
Go, baby.
Dude!
That's what's up.
Ken, hold on. I thought it was a lot bigger because of how he fought.
Trying to spin it.
Oh. First fish of the day.
Dude, like second or third cast.
That was my second cast of the day.
Good stuff.
Fat little one. Talons versus power pole. What do you think?
I like talons because they deploy faster, okay? And they take up less room in your boat. Power poles each have to have a compressor and stuff put in. If you got 4 batteries back there, 3 batteries back there, it takes up too much room. Both of those took me an hour and a half to put on.
That's it.
That's it.
Wait a minute. Where's my GoPro case at? Uh-oh.
Where'd you have it at? Do you remember? What's the case look like?
It's the black case. It's the black case that was with this one.
Look up under this stuff.
If I don't have that GoPro case, I'm in trouble.
Do you remember where was that?
I set it here with the, I set it up here with the tripods and that.
When?
Right when I was, well, when I was bringing stuff onto your boat. If we don't have that case, you're gonna have to take me back to shore. One fish. The boat won't start. We're either gonna take the trolling motor to shore or call a towboat, I don't know.
Well,
It was supposed to be so epic.
Look back and notice that the gas cap had either been left open or popped open on the waves. It's not windy right now, but it was pretty rough when we first went out. Looks like I got some water in that gas tank. I'm not going to try to, we tried to start it up a couple times and she's not running right.
Well, this is a part of life, okay?
It might have even been a wave, one of the waves when we were running over here and popped the cap open.
Yeah. This is, sometimes things like this happen. It's not always, you know, we set a fire video. You're still gonna get a fire video. It's just gonna be from shore. Things like this happen.
Stranded on my boat at the moment on St. Clair. Not at the moment. I can't see it. No, that's Harrison Township, Michigan. Just to the boat ramp. Right, Metro Beach boat ramp. 42 33 501 West 082 47 901. And okay. Thank you very much.
There we go.
Hey, what's happening, man? You know what's so crazy? I got the film crew out here today.
You pull the trolling motor up, I'll get a hook on that front eye there, and we'll get you back nice and safe.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Will you do me a favor?
Sure.
It's really easy. I'm gonna zoom in. Do me a favor and give us an update for today's video.
Whoa, me,
What kind of update?
Just say something about today's video. All right, never mind.
I don't know what you're looking for. Today's video,
Stranded boaterist. Is that a word? Boaterist?
Hashtag stranded.
doing the tournament this week. Next
I'm fishing the Canadian Open. I'm not doing the FLW tournament on. The FLW is coming. I'm fishing the Canadian Open in a couple weeks.
Okay.
2 weeks.
All right.
Sure. It's all right, man. It's all right.
Ken, the day's not over.
Face? I know, man. But one thing we can say in the video is be prepared. $72 is all it costs for a unlimited tow service, and I think it's a little more than that if you don't have Boat US insurance. I have Boat US insurance, so that discount is $72 for unlimited tow.
You've never had this happen in your life, ever.
First time using Boat US. My next move.
SpaghettiOs and fucking.
I told my girl.
It's not over. We're gonna go fish at a spot from the bank.
We have to actually take a ferry to get there. Val, man. This is nuts, dude. Oh, dude.
I know.
We're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep doing what we're doing. Boat or no boat, there's always the land, remote islands. I'm down for whatever, man.
Hold on. Watch this. I need to be throwing my braids. Actually, what I need to be throwing over here. got him.
Oh my God, dude.
It's a little one though.
Okay.
There was one way bigger than that over there.
I'm tossing it too, but
Go ahead, just toss it. I don't care. There's some bigger fish over there.
right on that column, dude.
Yeah, when you come in though, try to come over on the right, so the line hits that branch and it'll keep it, and you can drag it up in their face a couple times.
I got stuck. I can't use a right-handed reel.
Dude, you can't. I didn't know that. I didn't know you.
I cannot use a right-handed reel. I might have to go grab one. Where's my tackle bag? Hey Matt, can you unlock it? Yeah. I got it. Oh. Okay. Oh, spot number 300.
You turn around, you can back into that spot.
Just a guy walking down the road with a jerk bait, and there's a fish. Oh, I got one chasing it right there, dude. Hey, 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 hey.
Get up there, huh?
Dude, no, listen.
That's how it is.
Like, oh, there it is.
Oh, I see him. You got him. That's a large head.
Never mind, largemouth.
Two?
Yep.
Wow.
There we go. That was a quick catch.
Damn weeds. That was awesome.
Yes. A largemouth and a smallmouth today. Got him. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
Nice one. Where were you at?
It's all at the end, but hey, fish is a fish. What you can do is, I think it's in here. Yes, hot and spicy mini sticks by Dearborn. Oh, yes. What a day. Those are good. Sunburned, tired, been awake since 5 a.m. This boat's broke. Welcome to AR Casting YouTube channel.
We'll get him next time. Next time.
It's frustrating, isn't it?
Oh, very much. I'm sitting here looking at 4 or 5 fish and can't get them to bite, so you know that's always frustrating.
This next spot, obviously, you guys have seen it before. We fished it a couple times. I think that it'll be all right. I think I'll definitely get off the goose egg, whether that's a smallmouth bass, a largemouth bass, or a rock bass.
Yes, Warren Hopkins, a rock bass.
Yes. So Warren will definitely be happy about that.
Warren's gonna be laughing as I'm talking about him and you're talking about him, yeah. I know this isn't one of my best videos, but I felt like I had to show you guys this because this goes more with the behind the scenes. On my channel, like, and even my friends and the people I fish with and even subscribers, whatever, anybody, you can, or excuse me, we can fish for 10, 11, 12 hours and we still don't have a video. That's fishing, that's YouTube. Dude.
Beautiful. Never caught a muskie before.
up since 4 in the morning. I haven't, well, I've caught 2 fish, but I didn't land them. And then as soon as we're about to leave, I say, yeah, a couple more casts. And I mean, I catch, just trying to get my feelings up, guys. I'm sorry. It's been a long day.
You guys know Matt. He always tells you the grind is real.
Thanks, man.
He always tells you the grind is real. Well, I'm telling you, my videos don't always go good. It's not always easy. We've got like 13 hours into today, excuse me. It's mediocre video at best.